Morning, everybody. Good morning, Dreamforce. It's so nice to be with people again.
The future is about coming together, but also allowing people to be all over the world.
With the financial services cloud, we can truly be the platform that solves these friction-based problems.
If not this, then what? If not now, then when? We have to start making real change.
The best brands in the world are the ones who know how to connect with their customers. The fight to end COVID should have that same opportunity.
Slack empowers organizations to transform how they communicate. And if you can transform how you communicate, you can transform everything.
Being a role model, you have to show up each and every day because you never know who's watching you. And I feel like that's my duty as a disabled man to show up each and every day with positivity and energy.